This is Michelle from Michelle0365, and I'm back to do another challenge with you all. And this is my coin travel, and what else? There's coins, travel, and my 52-week challenge, my spin on the 52-week. So, how is everyone's week going? This is the second week of June. This month will be over before you know it, the way things are going. But this is the second week of June. And I am here to start it off with saving my change. So let me see, what do I have here? Let's get out my trusty calculator. So I've got, let's see, let's cut this light on, give it a little bit more. There we go. All right, so I've got 125 for this week so far. I mean, not this week, from last week. You know what, I just put that in the wrong spot, but I'm not going to worry about it. And I have, in pennies, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I have a 9 cents in pennies, which is on this side in my bank. Next are my dimes. And I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $1, 10, 20, 30. 130. Okay, and dimes go on this side. And those two were on the desk, luckily, and not on the floor, because I really didn't want to have to climb down there to get it. Okay, and my nickels, I have 10, 20, 30, 40. I have 50 cents in nickels. So, all total, $3.14. Okay, so let's grab my pencils, my color pencils. And let's see here. So, we've got $3.14. $3.14. Okay, so what's a big number that I can start off with? 91 cents. So let's see here. What color shall I use? Let's go with orange. 91. Okay, so I've got 223. So let's go down here to, let's go to 3. And I'm just going a high number and a low number, high number, low number. So that's 220. Okay, so let's go up here to 88 cents. Okay, so we'll do 88 cents. Now I've got 132 left. So let's see here. I'm going to come down here to 7 cents. That brings me to 125. So that's it. I think this might be off a little bit, but okay, so I did the 7 cents. So let's go up to 89 cents minus 89. And now I have 36 cents left. Do I have a 36? Yes, I do. Okay. And there's my change for this week. It's coloring in nicely. Okay, so now let's see. What shall I do next? I think I will start with, actually, I'm going to do the dog doesn't go in this one. Dog goes into the other one. So let me put that away. Let's go with, the coins. Coin challenge for today. So let's get out my coins. And I have 25, 50, and $1. And I am bringing today 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I am bringing $12 today. So let's put that in the bank. And I didn't mean to close that up. Let's see here. Let me make sure I've got $12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, well, I have $11 with me. So, we will start with 11. Then I will pull out another $1 and randomize that. And the way I do this, let's pull out my 3-sided die. And let's roll to tell me how many of these will go in each section. 1, 3, 1, 2, and 3. 1. 1, 2, 3. 2. 3, 1, 2, and 3. Back to 25 cents. 2, 1, 2. 1 and 1. 1. 1. 3. 1, 2, 3. And 3, and I only have 2. So we will stop there. And when I pull out, let's see, when I pull out the rest of the one more dollar, I will start with number 2. I'll pull a dollar out of here and start with number 2 once I'm finished this section. Because I don't want to get myself confused, which is not that hard. Okay, so let's see. Let's grab, I can just grab a crayon. No, actually. Just gonna grab a marker. And I got, ooh. Okay, so these are 25 cents each. And I got $2. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is 50 cents each. 1, 2, 1, 2, and a 25. There we go. Now, I have to decide if I'm going to put money back in. So let's see, 1, 2, 3. This is $3.75, so we're going to make it rounded up to $4. And we finished one. Yay! Okay, let's go on to the 50-cent one. Ooh, they're going to finish 2 today. Okay, so these are 50 cents. Okay, so let's start with $1. 50 is $1. And 50. No, okay. 50 is $1, and then this is 50, yes. Okay, I'm getting myself confused. 50 and 50. Yay! Okay, so that can go there. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and $12. 50 and 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, yep, that's 12. Now let's go on to the next one. Okay, that's 50. And these are $1 each. Okay, so we've got $1. Sorry for the reach. 2, 3, 4. That's another $1. And another $1. Okay. So now I have to decide. Let's see, we've got $1. $1, and I'm supposed to add another $1 in because I didn't do it. I didn't have $12, only had 11 of these. So we will color in one more, so that makes that $12. And that's $1. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's $1. And looks like I've got 25 and 25. Just give me a 50. It's just easier. Okay, so we're close. We are close. I just have to decide if I'm going to put another set in and start again Yeah, I think I will. Okay. So let me pull out something for 25 cents. I will just go ahead and pull this one for 25. And one for 50. And we will go with this one for 50. Now, this goes to the front. And let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, this goes back in the bank. For next week. All right, that's this one out the way. And 2 challenges completed for that batch. Now I have one more. Yes, here we go. And now it's time to do the travel one. Okay, now let's see. Travel, I am bringing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm missing some money. 8. And 2 is 10. Let's put that in the back for the bank. And let's roll. Let's see, we've got 6. So let's pull out the 6-sided die. And for the first one, let's see. We are putting in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Putting 5 in, and let's see. Can I buy back? Wait a minute, that's not right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did that wrong. I need my 3-sided die. There we go. Let's put that back in. And let's get my coins. Okay, here we go. Now I'm back on track. 2. 2. And these are $1 each. These are going to be for 25 cents each, regardless of what the thing says. 2. 2. 1, 2, 3. I think that's how I did it. 1, 2, 3. 1. Yeah, because I put in 10 And I have $11 here. So wait a minute, let's take $1 out. Okay, let's go to the front. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2. 1, and you're going to get 1. Okay. Now, let's flip back over. And I think I was doing these at face value. Therefore, I have 25 cents in there. These are all $1. That's $1. And $1. So we will be putting in $2. Now just need my marker. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's buy back a 5. Okay, so that's that one. And I put in $2. I almost got myself confused. Put in $2. If I'm correct. Let me just double check that. 1. Yep, I put in $2. Okay, so that one's done. And do I have any extras? Yes, I do. So this is $1. Okay, so that's $2. One and 2. And I'm going to take this out and put a 50 in. All right, let's see here. Nope, can't buy anything today. So in it goes. Okay, we got 1 and 50. And I don't have anything in here, so I can only mark off 1, which is that $1. And let's grab one of these 50 cents. And take the 2 25s out. Okay, so we will be putting in 150. There. For the next one, I got 50. That's $1. Okay, so $1. So we got $2. 1 and 2. So that goes over here. And nope, I can't buy anything with that. Next one. 50. 25, 25, and 25. And I don't have anything. Okay, so we can do 50. So I can do 1. And the 25 will go with this. And this one got $1.25. And let's see here. Let's grab a 50. Take those 2 25s out. And I got $1. Oh man, I'm just a little short on this one. Let's see here. Let's see. 1, 2. Oh, no, I can put a 5 in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And 50. All right, do I want to put yes, I do. I am going to close this one out. I'm going to add a 50 cent. I'm going to change that out for $1. I'm going to add $1 to there, put that back over here. And now this is $16. And I'm going to close that one out. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. No, you know what? I think I'm going to do 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16. I can get rid of some of these ones. Okay. So that is another one that was completed. For 16. Let's take this money and put this back. And let's pull this one out. And this one will begin our next one. Okay. So that's 3 that I was able to complete. And I still have, put these in here. And then there's one more. Let's see here. So today I am on $2. Did I finish the $2 one over here? Yes, I did. And let's put in, I usually try to bring 10 to each thing, but today with this one, I am going to put the 4 ones in. Okay, so this is the $1 page. Now this is my spin on the 52 week. I am putting in, I'll show you in just a second. I'm putting in $1, $2, $5, $10, and I think I have it set up for 20s and 50s too. So I've got the next page on this one is a 5, and then a 10, 20, and 50. That's what will go in those sections. And I have 2 sets of them. One, and then I start back over with the ones. And of course, I won't be doing a complete page when I get, for me, I won't be doing a complete page when I get to the 5s. Because I usually just bring $10 to the mix for each book. So that would be $10 there. So that's how, but that is my spin on the 52-week challenge. I have not added it up to figure out how much it will total, but it's fun. So that's the way that I'm doing it. So next week, I will bring 5s to the mix next week. Instead of 1s, I will be bringing 5s. Okay, So there go my 3 coin challenges. Whatever. Travel, coin. So that travel, coin, 52 week. And I completed 3 challenges today. And I am quite pleased with that myself. Okay, everyone. 16, 12, and 4. Hey, I'll take it. Starting off my June nicely. So, I hope everyone has a terrific hump day. If this is something that you like, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button. Join my channel. Come back next week when I do this again. And my travels, it's going to be going for my trips that I have set up for the end of the year. Hopefully, well, I know one is going to be to Ocean City and one is going to be going to Disney. So, I got a lot to save for travel. But that being said, come on back and watch me save low income way, slow, steady, and cheer me on. I hope you, like I said, I hope you like what you saw, and I will see you next Wednesday for Hump Day. Have a terrific rest of your week. All right, everybody. Bye-bye.